Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Then scroll down again and click on phone ringtone and vibrate section. Now tap on this switcher at the top next to also vibrate vocals to disable or enable incoming calls vibration. When you finished, go back. Then scroll down one more time. Select more sound settings at the bottom and click on this switcher next to vibration on touch to turn off or on haptic feedback for touches, keyboard and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!